All right, good evening, Kenya and East Africa at large. It is the first weekend, the first Friday of 2018. Thank you so much for choosing KTN News. This is Youth Cafe live from Nairobi. My name is Zinzi Kibiko.
And the hottest man in East and Central Africa, Brian Asili na kwambili show Noma Africa Ishanza. We'll hook you up with a couple of stories in the next few minutes. Lakini kumbuka, ile hashtag tunatumia ni hashtag Youth Cafe. Follow me at Brian_Aseli.
At Zinzi_K and at KTN News.
Na nakuambia, first things first, we have to dive
into the top stories. And you know what that is? It is award season. January comes and you know award season in Hollywood is coming. The 75th Golden Globes is happening. So the nominee list came out back in 2017. And on Sunday, we're expecting that event to happen. And who is going to host it?
And I'm telling you, Seth Meyers is going to be hosting it. And I'm telling you, I'm super excited about it. I don't know what it is with American events. Inafanyanga kila mtu in the rest of the world anakuwa na excitement. Tandiwe Yego has more information about this. Ebu check your story.
The first and biggest award show of the year is here, my good people. Yes, I am talking about the 75th Annual Golden Globe Awards. For those of you who need a little refresher course on the topic, the Golden Globes basically honors the best of the best in TV and film, both domestic and foreign. The awards come after one hell of a year in which the entertainment industry was roiled by one sexual misconduct scandal after another.
Kevin Spacey was a 26-year-old on Broadway when a 14-year-old boy, also appearing on Broadway, told BuzzFeed Spacey invited him to a party at his apartment. He picked me up like a groom picks up the bride over the threshold, actor Anthony Rapp said, and then he lays down on top of me. Rapp, who's best known for Rent and now on Star Trek Discovery, told NBC News he came forward now, standing on the shoulders of the many courageous women and men who've been speaking out. Spacey responded on social media, "I'm beyond horrified to hear his story. I honestly do not remember the encounter, but if I did behave then as he describes, I owe him the sincerest apology for what would have been deeply inappropriate, drunken behavior." But the statement went on, with Spacey revealing for the first time publicly that he's had relationships with both men and women. "I choose now to live as a gay man," he wrote. That language brought an avalanche of criticism. "I am sorry that Kevin only saw fit to acknowledge his truth when he thought it would serve him," actor Zachary Quinto tweeted.
So let's get down to the nitty-gritty of who got the nod and who didn't. Among the nominees this year include Dunkirk for Best Drama Motion Picture, Get Out for Best Musical or Comedy.
Dad, my black boyfriend will be coming up this weekend. I just don't want you to be shocked that he's a black man.
I ain't never seen you like this before, bruh. Meeting families and taking road trips. Don't come back all bougie, man. Come back, get your damn pants up to your damn stomach. No.
It's a terrible thing to wait.
Best Actress in a Drama, Michelle Williams in All the Money in the World.
An extraordinary thing.
What's your name?
My grandfather wasn't just the richest man in the world.
We need to pay the ransom. They will do things to Paul that cannot be undone for any amount of money.
No!
I ask, as a mother, set my boy free.
We have to show we're willing to walk away.
I can't walk away.
What's your name?
And Best Male Actor in a Drama, the very delicious Denzel Washington.
You tell me to wait. In my experience, wait.
Okay, find you in contempt.
Voluntary manslaughter, it's a good deal.
It's an enema of sunshine. Sorry for taking a nanosecond off of...
With Brad Pitt's exes Angelina Jolie and Jennifer Aniston among the hosts, it should make for a pretty crazy and awkward night.